This is Dev's Academy. This class is for CBSE class 9. We were studying lines and angles. Just we have started from the previous day. Today we will have some sums solved from R.S. Agarwal. Just see the first sum. The first question is that find the measure of an angle which is equal to its complement. Number 1 equal to its complement, number 2 equal to its supplement. You must know when sum of two angles equal to 90 degree, they are called complement. যখন দুটো অ্যাঙ্গেলের সমষ্টি হয় 90 ডিগ্রি তাদেরকে একে অপরের বলা হয় কমপ্লিমেন্ট। আর যখন দুটো অ্যাঙ্গেলের সমষ্টি 180 ডিগ্রি তখন তাদেরকে বলা হয় সাপ্লিমেন্টারি অ্যাঙ্গেলস। যখন when the sum of two angles is equal to 180 degree, they are called supplementary angles. So at first we have to find out the complement. First solution, let the angle be x degree, then its complement equal to 90 degree minus x. And according to the question, equal to its complement, অ্যাঙ্গেলটা এবং তার কমপ্লিমেন্ট দুটোই সমান, ইকুয়াল, therefore x plus x equal to 90 degree, therefore 2x equal to 90 degree and x equal to 45 degree. The angle is 45 degree. This is the answer. Therefore অ্যাঙ্গেলটা হলো 45 ডিগ্রি। এটা ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেনের অ্যান্সার। সেকেন্ড কোশ্চেন, equal to its supplement, that means the angle is equal to its supplement. When the angle is p degree, therefore its supplement will be p 90 degree minus p. Therefore p degree equal to 180 degree minus p, that is p plus p twice p equal to 180 degree, therefore p equal to 90 degree. Therefore অ্যাঙ্গেলটা হলো 90 ডিগ্রি, ওই কোণটা হলো 90 ডিগ্রি। This is answer. Second question, find the measure of an angle which is 36 degree more than its complement. একটা অ্যাঙ্গেল বের করো যেটা নাকি 36 ডিগ্রি বেশি, 36 ডিগ্রি more than its complement. কমপ্লিমেন্টের চাইতে 36 ডিগ্রি বেশি। Let the angle be x degree, therefore its complement will be 90 degree minus x because it is a complementary angle and the sum of complementary angle equal to 90 degree. Therefore x minus 90 degree minus x equal to 36 degree, or x minus 90 degree minus x equal to 36 degree and 2x equal to 36 degree plus 90 degree, therefore 2x equal to 126 degree, therefore x equal to 66 degree, therefore the angle is 36 degree. Find the measure of an angle which is 30 degree less than its supplement. Let the angle be m degree, therefore its supplement be 180 degree minus m, therefore 180 degree minus m equal to 30 degree, therefore minus 2m equal to 30 degree minus 180 degree, that is 150 degree, and m equal to 75 degree, therefore the measure of the angle equal to 75 degree. This is answer. Number 4, find the angle which is 4 times its complement. Let the angle be a degree, therefore its complement will be 90 degree minus a, therefore a equal to 4 into 90 degree minus a, that is 36 degree minus 4a, and calculating this we are getting a equal to 72 degree. A holo 72 degree. Number 5, find the angle which is 5 times of its supplement. Let the angle be theta, therefore its supplement will be 90 degree minus theta, and this is theta, supplement equal to 90 degree, 180 degree minus theta, therefore theta equal to 5 into 180 degree minus theta, and calculating this we are getting theta equal to 150 degree, therefore the angle equal to 150 degree. Question number 6, find the angle whose supplement is 4 times its complement. Let the angle be alpha, therefore supplement equal to 180 degree minus alpha, and complement equal to 90 degree minus alpha. supplement হবে 180 minus alpha আর complement হবে 90 degree minus alpha. This supplement will be 4 times than its complement, that is 180 degree minus alpha equal to 4 into 90 degree minus alpha. Calculating this, we are getting the angle equal to 60 degree. Therefore, the angle equal to 60 degree. অর্থাৎ 60 degree কোণের যা supplement হবে সেটা হবে 4 times of its complemented. Question number 7, that is the last question. Find the angle whose complement is 1/3 of its supplement. Let the angle be beta. Therefore, its complement will be 90 degree minus beta and supplement will be 180 degree minus beta. Therefore, 1/3 into 180 degree minus beta, অর্থাৎ supplemented 1/3 equal to complement. Calculating this, we are getting beta equal to 45 degree. Therefore, the angle is 45 degree. This is the same for today. Next, we will proceed to next class. Most probably, these classes will be started. School will resume on and from after Puja vacation. Follow my classes. Thank you.